It's been a while. I get that. Hold on. I mean, I actually have YouTube on my other phone. I'm on my tablet, like, all times. Hold on. Okay. Check this out real quick. Checking out Wit. It's a really cool app. Bunch of music things. Because, I'm a musicaholic. I have nothing basically but music games. Other than Snapchat, my egg game I have, and Wit, and Uno, and Twitter, and my Harry Potter game, and Family Feud. But other than I got YouTube, I got BTS World, I got BTS Twist, I got tap music, and I got Song Pop. Yeah, I like BTS. And for all of you people who don't know who they are, ooh, y'all people need to look them up. They are they're the best people on this planet. Not really, but what? Oh, okay. Hold on. I gotta put a song on for you. No, it's Idol. It's Idol by BTS. They're pretty good. Oh, that's just a little. That's only 34 seconds of their song, but oh, I already listened to that one. I listened to most of their songs. So what is it? I was gonna say something. I forget what I was gonna say. Yeah. I'm gonna be probably getting a part-time job, hopefully soon somewhere. Ooh, that was gross. Excuse me. But hold on. Yeah. Yeah. I'm dying. It's hot out. I don't like it. Let me think. I'm trying to think of something to talk about. Um, didn't want that. Hold on. But yeah, BTS is pretty cool. Y'all should listen to them. They're K-pop. They're pretty cool. Most people are hating on them. Most people I talk to, they're like, no, they're trash. Why do you listen to them? But I'm like, their songs are inspirational. And, yeah. And then they're like, but you can't understand them. I'm like, subtitles. And stuff. So, subtitles work great. Great. Yeah. School's good. Oh, sure, you were just talking to me not too long ago. Well, damn. Sorry. Having fun over there? Anthony?
Huh?
Having fun over there?
Sure. My face cloth disappeared. I literally checked the bathroom. I didn't even see it in there, and I didn't even see it in my room. I don't even know if I was using a face cloth. I don't even remember.
Oh.
I could have sworn it was.
Okay.
I thought I did a magic trick for a minute.
But I've been watching this channel called Jam Jam J.
You guys should check out my channel. I'm sorry.
Jam Jam J. Hold on. Jam
Okay, I'm gonna finish my game up.
Jam J.
You know what? I want to record a YouTube video. I've been recording a few days. I don't think. Oops, that's the wrong button.
And where is it?
Let me check
It's
out my channel.
pretty funny. It's all BTS related stuff. So yeah.
Whenever someone asks me what music I like or what artists I listen to, I
Did you
being the
stop
army that
recording?
I am, of course say BTS. But every time I do, the response is almost always they're overrated.
I thought of a really good idea. I think I want to switch my
Today
channel
I'm
and make a
gonna show you.
YouTube channel.
But yeah. Jam Jam J. Look him up. She's pretty cool. Her real name's Sarah. She's 17. Just figured that out today. I was watching a video like literally 2 minutes ago and thought I should do this. So yeah. There's 7 of them. RM, Suga, V, Jungkook, they all look similar. Shh. Most people say that. Actually, no, they don't. They have similar differences. There's Jungkook, V, Jimin, Suga, Jin, RM, and J-Hope. Look them up. They're all amazing. But I'm gonna be out. I gotta go. Cause I'm bored.
Yeah.
You gotta listen to music. Like my usual thing. Talk to people. Snapchat. Bye.